Hey, good morning you all. This is Matthew Tignacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. I'm with Marshall Greenlee and we're out in beautiful West University, Houston. We're cleaning this Spanish tile roof for these wonderful customers. You can see how our process is going so far. There's our machine and equipment down there. And we've got Marshall spraying down the roof. What we're doing, you can see it's low pressure cleaning methods. So what that means is that we use a chemical-based treatment, and it has algicides and detergents in there that soak into the tile and help to lift up the mold and algae that we've got on the surface. You can see Marshall walking carefully along the roof, making sure everything goes good. He's doing another treatment on this side. But what I want to show you guys is basically how these tiles can go from being totally saturated and filled with mold to having just a really clean, almost brand new looking face to them. And that's all done with low pressure. There's no risk, no damage of having anything break or get messed up. So we try and be very careful with the customer's home. We know it's one of their biggest assets and most valuable property. So that's why we take the utmost care and do everything with specific intention of doing a good job and not messing anything up. So just wanted to show you guys exactly what our process looks like. We've got Marshall taking care of this last bit right here, and then we'll go down and finish the rest of everything up. So I'll show you guys one more time this clean section, and then this foam is actually the chemical working into the algae, cleaning it up. So this contrast is pretty stark. You guys can see exactly what the difference looks like. There's Marshall being very thorough with everything, making sure it's all done properly, and he's getting a good coat over it all. So we'll catch you guys later. Thank you again for tuning in, and just one more time I'll show you guys the difference between everything. So here's the before shot of the roof, and then here's the after once the chemicals had time to work in. So thank you guys again. We appreciate it. Give us a call if we can ever help with your roof cleaning or soft washing, home exterior cleaning needs. Thank you so much.